Determine the equation that describes the path followed by a moving point where the sum of the squares of its distances from two fixed points a, 0 and negative a, 0 is always a constant value of 2c squared. Let us begin. So first we'll try to understand it graphically. Now let's say we have a point A. A has the coordinates negative a, 0, and we have another point B. B has the coordinates positive a, 0. Now what we'll do? We'll consider a point P. P has the coordinates, let's say h, k. Now this particular point P, it's a moving point. That means it could be moving in any particular path. We are not actually concerned about it. Let's say this is the path of that point P. We're not worried about it. At an instant of time, let's say it's given here, there's a condition that if we join PA and we join PB, then we get the distance PA and PB. It's given here that the sum of the squares of its distances, meaning if we take square of PA, add it to the square of PB, then this is going to be equals to 2 times c square, meaning this is a constant value and that's given to us. So this is constant and fixed. Right. Now, what we'll do, our goal will be to describe the path followed by this particular moving point. Okay, let us begin. Now what we can do, we can immediately find out the distance PA by the help of the distance formula. So PA, that's going to be equals to, we'll take the square root. Underneath the square root, first what we need is the difference of the x coordinate. So that means we'll start with h, from it subtract negative a, so that means we have h plus a whole square. Added to the difference of the y coordinates, so that's k squared. Then we have PB. So PB, that's going to be equals to, we'll take the square root, and underneath the square root, what we'll do, we'll take the difference of the x coordinate, so that's h minus a whole squared plus k squared. Right. Now let's substitute these two values into our equation number 1. So we have PA squared, so we're going to get h plus a whole squared plus k squared. Added to h minus a whole squared plus k squared. This will be equals to 2c squared. Expanding h plus a whole squared, we're going to get h squared plus 2 times h plus a squared plus k squared plus h squared minus 2 times ah plus a squared plus k squared equals to 2c squared. Now we can combine h squared with h squared to get 2h squared. We have 2k squared and k squared, that gives us 2k squared. A squared and a squared gives us 2a squared. 2h's and negative 2a's, that cancels out. This will be equals to 2c squared. So factoring out the 2, we are left with h squared plus k squared equals to, well, can transpose a squared to the right hand side, we get c squared minus a squared. So this is the equation that we are getting. Now what we'll do, we will replace the value of h. So let's do that. We'll replace the value of h with x and the value of k with y, and we're going to get the equation of the locus of that moving point. So we get x squared plus y squared. This will be equals to c squared minus a squared. Now this is going to be the final value.